Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Hero Shards in Archero 2. In Archero 2, Hero Shards are essential for unlocking and upgrading characters, and there are several ways to get them. The most common ones are rare shards, which you'll often find directly in the shop or through special offers. You can also grab shards from the guild store, where rare shards cost guild currency, and from the island shop, where both rare and epic shards like autos can be exchanged using island tokens. Keep an eye on limited time events as they frequently offer shard exchanges as rewards. Another reliable method is the Arena Shop, where your arena exchange tickets can get you specific shards such as Sir or Dragon. And of course, some shards are tied to in game purchases, so if you're willing to spend, that's another option. Overall, focus on shops, events, guilds, and arena rewards to steadily collect hero shards. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.